Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you sesame snaps. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. We're going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Right, so we've got some butter, we've got some vanilla, got some salt, we've got some nutmeg, got our honey, got some white sugar, and we've got our sesame seeds. And you're going to need some bicarbonate of soda, and we've also got our little bit of water in our pot already. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using for this one. So we're going to start the process on this one now. We're going to put a very low heat underneath our pot, and into that we're going to add our sugar, we're going to add our salt. If this recipe looks a bit small to you, we're just doing half of it again. We're trying to cut down on how much recipes we do because we're doing like full recipes, so we're just trying to do halves now. Then you're going to be putting into that your honey as well. If you want to leave any comments, please leave them in the comment section. We will answer you. Or if you want to know anything about this recipe, let me know. So we've got that on a low heat, so we're just going to give that a stir in now. This is a recipe what your children are going to enjoy, but I think this is a recipe more for the older children because it's over the heat and you're working with hot sugar again, because this sugar is going to get up to 300 degrees, so you just want to keep them away from the heat. So we're just going to let that incorporate and come. Once it starts to bubble up, then we'll show you the rest of the process. Right, so we've got our sugar and everything starting to come to the bubble now. So you want it to be white like that. And now we're going to add our sesame seeds into that. We're using the raw ones because these are going to brown up anyway, so you just need to keep a constant eye on this. Just make sure you're stirring it. Make sure your flame is low, and you're going to want this to turn to like a sticky toffee amber colour. Right, so we've had it on the fire for about 8 minutes. So you can see it's starting to come together now. You want it till it turns like a lightish brown, like treacle colour. This might only look like a little bit in there, but we're just using half of a recipe. For those of you who are watching. So just going to let that boil off till it gets brown before you add the rest of the ingredients into it. You can see it's starting to stick already, which is what you want to see, so you know you're onto the right route. As you see it sticking to the back of a spoon or something, you know, you're almost there. You can see it's nicely starting to brown up now. So you just keep an eye on that. If you've got a sugar thermometer, you want this up to about 150, I think it is, 300 C, whatever that is, measurements is. I'm just doing this by eye because we're used to doing these kind of things. If you make toffee or anything like that, then you should know what it looks like. You can see it's nicely sticky onto the spoon, so you know you're almost there. If you want to use the toasted sesame seeds on this, you can use those, but you don't have to. You can just use the raw ones. If you're liking these videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. We are doing something different. We're teaching you how to do different recipes. Easy enough so that you can follow along with us. And the shopping list is there for you to source the ingredients what you want to use. So we're almost there now. That's where you're gonna, once you're there, you're gonna be turning off the heat from this and then adding the rest of the ingredients. So you can see we're almost there. It's nicely browning up now. So your sesame seeds are going to look like if you toasted them. So just keep stirring in. You can see, right, it's really sticky now, really sticking to the back of the spoon. So we're almost there now with the amber colour. So we're about nearly there now. You can see it's starting to come away. It should roll back very slowly. If you're doing the full recipe, then this is going to take a bit longer because you're going to have more in there, so you're going to have to keep constant eye on it, stirring, but we're just doing half of a recipe. This is at the 10-minute stage now. So you can see you got it nice and sticky now. And that's where you want it now. So that's where you want it. Right, so we're going to turn off that heat now. Then we're going to add our butter to that. So we've got our butter, so we're going to stir that in. We're going to add our vanilla. And just stir that in. And we're going to add our salt. And we're going to add our baking soda. This is just to make it lighter. It's going to start to foam up a bit, so just be aware of that. So, see, it's starting to foam a bit now. So you just give that a bit good stir in now. Your baking soda incorporated, will start to go back to the brownish colour. So remember that you haven't got no heat underneath this, you just got it there. Right, and then we're going to put this onto our baking paper now. We're just going to flatten that out a bit. And make this how thick or how thin you want it. So remember not to let your kids do this bit, just in case they touch it. It is boiling sugar. So that's it there, and then you're going to put that in a cool place to cool down. So once it's cooled down, we'll show you the rest of the process today. Right everybody, so we've got our sesame snap cool down now. Hopefully it should snap. So we're going to break it up and see how it goes, see? So you should get a nice crispy snap like that. So you just break them into the size pieces and put them in your tub. So I've just got a tub here. Just break them into little serving pieces, what you like. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. If you want to ask any questions about this recipe here, what we've done today, please comment in the comment section. And that's our sesame snacks. That's the amount what we got. If you do a bigger recipe or the full recipe what's listed, then you're going to get more than this, but we just done a little small recipe just to show you. So if you like this recipe, please subscribe to our thing. Don't just watch the channel, subscribe and you'll get notifications of when we're doing other things. And thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.